The title of today's mini podcast is Adjectives Are Judgements. Adjectives are universally used. They dress up or dress down nouns and can lead to judgments about ourselves and others. Saying it's a beautiful day is putting a judgment on a day. Stating he's a loathsome human being is putting a judgment on this particular person. The judgments can be positive or negative depending on the adjective. Here's a personal judgment I made that prompted this podcast. I was at the end of my day and remarked to myself, I didn't do anything worthwhile today. Worthwhile there being the judgment word. I caught myself judging myself and I realized it was the adjective that led to my judgy feelings. I restated my observation and said, I did what I did today. It was a reality-based statement that didn't lead to judgment. The message I came away from this experience with is this. Watch your use of adjectives. They can lead you down a judgmental trail that leads to nowhere except feeling bad about yourself. So here's a mantra worth remembering. One less adjective a day causes less dismay. This concludes today's language lesson. All the best, John.